Good morning, students. Now, from today onwards, we'll start our new lesson, that is water resources in chapter 10. Okay, water means everybody knows. पानी हो गया. Then resources, it's a साधन. रिसोर्सेस मतलब साधन, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में. रिसोर्स का हिंदी क्या होता है? साधन. ओके. So I am going to read all the lines or the topic. Listen carefully, everyone. Human beings, plants and animals need water to stay alive. We need water for drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, cooking and many other day-to-day activities. Water is needed in the factories to run machines and to make different things we need. Farmers need water to grow crops. We have read that from space our planet Earth looks blue. This is because a large portion of the earth is water. However, only a small amount is actually fit for drinking and other activities. This water is found in lakes, rivers, ponds and under the ground as groundwater. The water of seas and oceans cannot be used as it is salty. Some of the water that is fit for use is frozen in glacier that leaves us with a little amount of water on the earth that can be actually used. Yes, everybody knows water. Why water is essential for every living things or every living beings. We know without water we cannot live. Okay, it's water is essential part of the things in our life. So everybody or the every human or the every living beings, it depends on water. Understand? We need water for drinking. Actually, not only drinking, it's using for bathing also, cleaning also, washing also, cooking and many other things. Even if we are going to wash the car, means we need the water. Without water we cannot. Okay, while eating we drink water. While eating food, okay, we need water. Not only while eating, we need for cooking also. Okay, without water the food cannot make or cooked. That's why it is very essential in our life. Here water is needed in the factories. Still some of the factories are using water. Okay, then only the other machines will work. Okay, without water the other machines are not work. Many factories they are using steel, and the farmers, it's fully depend on water. Then only they grow the crops in the agricultural field. Okay, without water the vegetables or the any of the crops will not grow properly, because that is also the living things. Okay, all living things need water. Whatever you are going to plant in your garden or in your any of the open space, it will require water. Understand? Without water they cannot make their food. That's why we are also the same. Without water we cannot make our food. So first of all, if you see from the space, okay, if you see to the earth from the space, you look your earth is blue. Why it is called blue? Why earth look like in blue color? The reason is behind the major portion of the earth. The major part of the earth is covered with water only. That's why it look like a blue. Understand? one third of water which is covered the land in the earth. That's why it looks the earth blue. But all the waters cannot be used for drinking. Here is the main thing. So we cannot use all the waters for our drinking purpose. Understand? Only the some sources of water can used for drinking purpose. Understand? It is not good for drinking, like water of seas and oceans. Whatever water we'll get from the seas and the oceans, it is not suitable for drinking because of salty. Okay, its taste is very salty, so we cannot drink easily. Okay, or it is not fit for our body also. Understand? That leaves a little amount of water on the earth can be actually used. So only very few are there on earth which is used, which we can use for drinking, like the lakes, rivers, ponds, and underground water. Okay, and underground water we can actually pump out, okay, and store in our tank, okay, syntax. Later on we can use for our drinking purpose. Understand? Means of irrigation सिंचाई, इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? सिंचाई. Farmers in India depend largely on rain. I told you earlier, see, all the farmers, okay, are depends on rain, but the amount of rainfall is not fixed. So if the rain are good, then their crops are also going to be grow good. If rainfall is less in amount, so they will face the problem. So during that time they used this irrigation. Okay, the distribution of rainfall is not uniform. This means that while some places get a good amount of rainfall, others do not. Moreover, it is not rain all through the year. So that's why they fully depend on the rain. Okay, our government and farmers have developed efficient means of irrigation to reduce our dependence on rain. So in our country, government and farmers has developed efficient means of irrigation to reduce our dependence on rain. Actually it should be, we cannot wait for rain to come. Okay, so we cannot depend on rain water. So we have to take some responsibilities, okay, to reduce our dependence on rain. So for that, our India has made canals, tube wells, tanks. Okay, this is the common way. This type of irrigation. Okay, this is the common means of irrigation which is actually used in our country through canals, through tube wells, through wells and tanks. Through this way, we have to put the water on our agricultural land or the field. Understand? So all of you, for today this much only. You go through all the lines or the chapters. So rest one will discuss tomorrow. Means of irrigation we'll discuss tomorrow. Canals, tube wells and tanks. Through this way we can grow the crops in the field. Okay, thank you very much.